Windows. Vista arrived with a wave of anticipation. It was more than just another operating system. It was a promise of a new era in computing. The excitement was palpable as users and tech enthusiasts alike eagerly awaited its release. It promised a sleeker look, enhanced security, and a more intuitive user experience. The interface was designed to be more user-friendly, with a focus on aesthetics and functionality. Security was a top priority, with new features aimed at protecting users from the ever-growing threats in the digital world, and a host of new features. These features were designed to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. From improved search capabilities to better file management, Vista aimed to streamline the user experience. Underneath the surface, Microsoft was also attempting something groundbreaking, integrating database technology directly into the operating system. This was a bold move, one that had the potential to revolutionize how we interact with our computers. This ambitious goal, though ultimately unrealized, offered a glimpse into a future where our computers could interact with information in fundamentally different ways. Imagine a world where your computer could understand and anticipate your needs, making your digital life more seamless and intuitive. While users marveled at the visual changes and new applications, there was much more to Vista than met the eye. The visual overhaul was just the tip of the iceberg, with many of the most significant changes happening behind the scenes. A powerful engine lay dormant within Vista's core. This engine was designed to handle the most demanding tasks, providing a robust foundation for the operating system. This engine, built upon the NTFS file system, held the potential to transform how we manage and interact with our digital lives. The NTFS file system was known for its reliability and efficiency, making it the perfect backbone for Vista's ambitious goals. Imagine a world where searching for a file was as easy as asking a question, where your computer could understand natural language and respond accordingly. This was the vision that Vista aimed to bring to life, where your computer could proactively organize your data, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. This level of organization would save users time and reduce frustration, making their digital lives more efficient, and where complex relationships between files were understood and utilized. This would allow for more intelligent data management, with the computer able to make connections and provide insights that were previously impossible. This was the promise of Vista's hidden database features. While these features were not fully realized, they represented a bold vision for the future of computing. Vista was a stepping stone, a glimpse into what could be possible with the right technology and innovation. Users found themselves exploring a new world of possibilities with Vista. The operating system introduced new applications and tools that were designed to enhance productivity and creativity. From improved multimedia capabilities to better networking features, Vista aimed to cater to a wide range of user needs. Behind the scenes, developers were hard at work, pushing the boundaries of what an operating system could do. They were driven by a vision of a more connected, more intelligent digital world. Their efforts laid the groundwork for future innovations, even if some of Vista's most ambitious goals were not fully realized. Vista's legacy is one of ambition and innovation. It may not have achieved all of its lofty goals, but it set the stage for future advancements in computing. The ideas and technologies that were introduced with Vista continue to influence the development of modern operating systems. As we look back on Vista, we can appreciate the bold vision that drove its development. It was a glimpse into a future where our digital lives are more connected, more intuitive and more efficient. While it may not have been perfect, Vista was a crucial step forward in the evolution of computing. Today, we see the influence of Vista in the modern Windows operating systems. The lessons learned and the technologies developed during Vista's era have helped shape the user experiences we enjoy today. Vista was the beginning of a new era for Windows, one that continues to evolve and improve with each new release. To understand these ambitious features, we need to delve briefly into the world of file systems. File systems are the backbone of how data is stored, retrieved, and managed on our computers. They are the unsung heroes that ensure our data is organized and accessible. A file system dictates how data is stored and organized on a hard drive. Imagine it as the blueprint of a vast library where every book, or in this case, every piece of data, has a specific place. Without a file system, our data would be in complete disarray, making it nearly impossible to find or use. Think of it as a library's organizational system, but for your computer's data. Just as a library uses a cataloging system to keep track of books, a file system uses a similar method to keep track of files and folders. This ensures that data is not only stored efficiently, but can also be retrieved quickly when needed. Windows Vista utilized NTFS, a robust and versatile file system. NTFS, which stands for New Technology File System, was introduced by Microsoft to replace the older FAT file systems. It brought with it a host of new features and improvements that made it the go-to choice for modern operating systems. But within NTFS, Microsoft had embedded something special: the ability to store and manage data not just as files and folders, but as entries in a database. This was a game changer. It meant that the file system could handle more complex data structures and provide more advanced features for data management. This meant that files and folders weren't just inert containers anymore. They could have properties and attributes associated with them, much like entries in a database table. This added a new layer of functionality to the file system, making it more powerful and flexible. A simple text document, for example, could have author, creation date, and keywords associated with it, all managed by the operating system. This made it easier to organize and search for files based on these attributes, rather than just their names or locations. This opened up a world of possibilities for organizing, searching, and interacting with data. With NTFS, users could take advantage of advanced features like file compression, encryption, and disk quotas. These features provided greater control over how data was stored and accessed, enhancing both security and efficiency. Moreover, NTFS introduced the concept of journaling, which helped protect data integrity. In the event of a system crash or power failure, the file system could recover more quickly and with less data loss. This was a significant improvement over older file systems, which were more prone to corruption and data loss. In summary, NTFS was more than just a file system. It was a comprehensive data management solution. It provided a robust framework for storing, organizing, and protecting data, making it an essential component of modern computing. As we continue to generate and rely on vast amounts of data, the importance of advanced file systems like NTFS cannot be overstated. They are the silent workhorses that keep our digital lives running smoothly. At the heart of this vision was a technology known as indexing. This technology was designed to revolutionize the way we interact with our digital data, making it more accessible and manageable than ever before. Just like the index at the back of a book helps you quickly locate specific information. Digital indexing serves a similar purpose. It organizes and categorizes data in a way that makes it easy to retrieve, saving you time and effort. Vista's indexing engine aimed to create a comprehensive map of all the data on your computer. This map would include everything from documents and emails to photos and videos, ensuring that no piece of information was left unindexed. This map, constantly updated in the background, would allow for lightning-fast searches and intelligent data management. The indexing engine would work silently, ensuring that your data was always up to date and ready to be accessed at a moment's notice. Imagine searching for documents created last week about marketing and having your computer instantly present you with the relevant files, regardless of their location on your hard drive. This level of efficiency was unprecedented and promised to change the way we worked with our digital files. This was the power of Vista's intended database features. It was designed to handle vast amounts of data with ease, providing users with a seamless and intuitive search experience. It promised to free us from the limitations of traditional file systems, where finding information often felt like searching for a needle in a haystack. With indexing, the days of endlessly scrolling through folders and subfolders were over. The user experience was at the forefront of this technology. By making data retrieval quick and easy, indexing allowed users to focus on their tasks without being bogged down by inefficient file management systems. The process of indexing involved scanning and categorizing data based on various attributes such as file type, date created, and keywords. This meticulous organization ensured that every piece of data was easily searchable. Historically, data management systems have evolved significantly, but indexing represented a major leap forward. It combined the best aspects of previous systems with cutting-edge technology to deliver a superior user experience. Looking ahead, the possibilities for indexing technology are vast. As our digital lives continue to expand, the need for efficient data management will only grow. Indexing will play a crucial role in helping us navigate this ever-increasing sea of information. In conclusion, indexing your digital life is not just about making searches faster, it's about transforming the way we interact with our data. By making information more accessible, we can work more efficiently and effectively, ultimately enhancing our productivity and digital experience. The implications of these database features extended far beyond simple file searches. Imagine your computer automatically tagging photos based on faces it recognized, organizing your music collection by genre and artist without any manual input, or even suggesting related documents based on your current work. This technology could have revolutionized how we interact with our digital lives. It promised a future where our computers could understand and anticipate our needs, seamlessly connecting information and presenting it in meaningful ways. This was a future where the limitations of traditional file management would fade away, replaced by a more intuitive and powerful way of interacting with data.